So the wheel was spun 50 times. The result are in the table. So this is the wheel. So ilang colors ang given? 5. And then ito yung naging resulta nung in-spin niya yung spinner 50 times. So yung red 12, yellow 8, green 12, blue 11, and violet 7. Then after that, let's answer the given question. What's the theoretical probability of spinning a blue? So theoretical to anak. So meaning, hindi natin kailangan tignan yung table. Ang titingnan lang natin dito ay yung spinner. Okay, kasi sa theoretical probability, yung given lang ang kailangan natin. So without doing the experiment, the actual experiment, masasagot natin yan. Ibig sabihin, hindi natin kailangan yung table. Okay, ilan daw yung blue? 1 over ilan lahat yung kulay? Okay, therefore the answer is 1/5. Or just simply 0.2 or 20%. That is theoretical probability. Now, letter B, what's the experimental probability of spinning a blue? Experimental naman, ibig sabihin, you need to do the actual experiment and ito yung naging resulta. So, sa experimental, ang gagamitin natin, yung actual experiment, hindi na natin titignan to. Okay, then after that, identify natin ilan yung lumabas na blue? 11 over ilan lahat yung trials? 11 over 50 is the answer. Or 0.22 or just simply 22%. Okay, now let's compare. Compare the probability. So what do you say about the result of theoretical probability and experimental probability? Ano ang greater? Experimental compared to theoretical. So we can say that the experimental probability is greater than the theoretical probability, meaning the wheel landed on blue more than often than we expected. Okay, now let's compare this. Okay, sa theoretical probability sa head and tail, 50%. Then dito, so using 20 trials, 40%. So sa pangalawa nating example, yung blue 20%. Then dito naman ay 22% pero 50 trials. So let's answer this question. What do you think will happen to the experimental probability after many more trials? Nagbabago. Bukod doon. What do you say about the result of experimental probability? Kapag mas marami yung trials, tingnan nyo, ito 20 trials, 30%, ito 50%. Mas greater yung theoretical kesa sa experimental. Pero dito, ano ang mas greater? Experimental kesa sa? Why? Kasi ilang trials? Oh, what do you say about this example? Mas? Silva?
Kapag mas maraming test na nag-try, mas tataas po yun.
Very good. So meaning, the more trials you do in an experiment, the closer the experimental probability should be to the theoretical probability. Ibig sabihin, anak, mas maraming trial, mas malapit yung answer mo sa theoretical or mas more than pa nga, di ba? So tingnan natin dito, ito 20 trials, 50, medyo malaki yung difference nila. Pero dito 50 trials, mas malaki na, mas greater na si experimental kaysa kay theoretical. So do you understand na po?